High grades 2 and 3. This week again, we're going to continue on with our soccer sort of stuff, okay? Great to see so many posts last time, okay? Keep that going, it's fantastic. I love seeing different videos and pictures from everyone, so keep that going, it's really, really good. Right, just a quick reminder about your soccer sort of skills anyway, with your kicking part, okay? I want you using the inside of your foot, so using this part of your foot here, not using your toe, okay? Using your toe lacks control, okay? So using your inside of your foot, your opposite foot is stepping next to the ball, and then your foot coming through towards your target, okay? So again, using the inside of your foot, not your toe, okay? So the first activity is called knock them down, okay? It's a fairly simple activity, starting at a starting point, okay? Have a marker or something if you need. Okay, and if the camera pans around to this side, I've got some markers here, okay? So I've got some cones and a couple of yellow posts. At home, you can use boxes, baskets, toys, whatever you like to sort of knock stuff down, okay? Obviously, it'd also be good if you've got a bit of a buffer sort of thing, so when you kick it, it rebounds back, or a helper, okay? So hopefully it should look something very similar to this, okay? So if I'm stepping, I'm going step with my kicking foot, step with my non-preferred foot next to the ball, and then kicking all the way through. Bingo! I knocked down one of the targets, so give that a go. Right, so the next activity, you will need a bit of a partner, okay? So how it works is this is a simple pass and trap sort of activity, okay? So using that kicking technique, okay, using the inside of your foot, but this time what I want you to do is I want you to trap the ball first and then kick it from your partner, okay? So if I move back a little bit from my partner here, when my partner kicks me the ball, I've got to trap it first, okay? Again, try and use the inside of your foot or trying to land on top, okay? Bring the ball to a stop and then pass the ball again, okay? So let's see how we go. So pass, trap, ball stops, and then kick back, okay? So if the ball comes on your left side, okay, trap the ball with your left foot, kick back with your left foot. If it comes on your right side like this, trap on your right foot, kick on your right foot, okay? So trying to use both sides of your body as best you can. Very simple activity, simply just to get you practicing and repetition these two skills. All right, guys, so the next activity is to pass and move on the move sort of thing. So what it is, again, you need a helper, so my helper will stand here, okay, and I'm gonna start next to them as well, okay? Whenever someone says go, I then run around to a target, so which we're using the same targets that we did for the knockdown, okay? I run to that target, okay, my helper, my partner, will pass me the ball, I'll trap it, pass it back. I then run around my partner, okay, and go to the next one. So this way we're practicing our passing, practicing our trapping, and we're also just getting a bit of running and a bit of fitness in as well, so give it a huff and puff, see how you go from there. So pretty simple again, okay, but a little bit different. So let's see how we go. So my partner comes this way a little bit, okay, all right, ready, go. So I'm running around the first one, around the cone, pass, trap, pass back, around my partner, like so, around to the next one, right foot this time, trap, and then pass. So obviously you need to do it for all 5 cones. Okay, good job. All right, guys, and the final activity for this week with your soccer kicking is very similar to the one last week, doing your soccer goal kicking again. The only difference is for what you have to do, and to make it a bit harder this time, you have to put some sort of barrier, some sort of blocking thing in front of the goals, okay? So if you don't have a partner, okay, what I've got here is I've used one of those white buckets we use at school. I put that in front of the goals as a bit of a blocker. So you either got to kick it around it, or if you can kick it above it, okay? If you do have a partner, a willing partner to do it, that could be the goalkeeper, for example, okay? So you've got 2 options there, okay? And again, the blocker, so it could be a big tall box, could be a chair, could be anything you like, as long as it sort of just blocks the goal a little bit, or blocks part of the goal anyway, okay? So if I've got here, looking at the goals here, I've got my white bucket there. I'm starting from this point here, okay? I'm gonna see if I can kick the ball over the white bucket, okay? Touch and go whether it was a goal or not, but trying to kick the ball through the goals and around or over your obstacle.